Okay, can you find lines of symmetry? That's what we're asking ourselves today. In your success criteria, you're being asked to identify and count. Oh, I don't know if it says count. You need to identify lines of symmetry in shapes. Let's have a go at doing it together, and then you can go off and do it on your own with shapes around your house. I've got myself a bamboo skewer. You could use a piece of string, a piece of cut out a strip of paper, a ruler, anything that is straight as your imaginary line of symmetry. Okay, so out of my shapes, let's pick her first. I got it out of the baby basket. Can you see where the line of symmetry is? Is it there? Are they the same on either side? Here. Is it there? Is each side the same? No, this has got more of the head and less of the leg. Is it this way? Yes, they're exactly the same on either side. So this shape has one line of symmetry. I'll start a group over here with things that have one line of symmetry. My glasses. Can you see where the line of symmetry is on the glasses so that both sides are exactly the same? Yes, you're correct. It's down the middle this way. So that's got one line of symmetry. It doesn't work that way. Let's put that with her. Let's grab the apple, although, is the apple... All right, we're just looking at the outside wooden shape of the apple. Can you see where the line of symmetry is there? That's it, you're correct. It's right down the middle. It's got one line of symmetry. Let's put it with its friends over there. All right, we've got the Rubik's Cube. We're just looking at the top square of the Rubik's Cube, but symmetry works with all shapes, three-dimensional and two-dimensional. Can you see where the lines of symmetry are in this shape? Don't get fooled by these black lines. Remember, each side has to be exactly the same. If you could fold the shape over the line, it should match up to itself. So we've got one going this way on the square, both sides are the same. We've got one going that way, both sides are the same. Can you see any others? Let's have a look. There's one, both sides are the same, and then you can do the opposite. Both sides are the same. So we would say that this shape has 4 lines of symmetry. That can go in a group on its own. What about one of the baby blocks? Can you see where the line of symmetry is? Yep, you're right. It's down the middle again. This one doesn't have a diagonal because that side's got a corner and that side's got a curve. It's just got the one. Doesn't work that way either. So that can go over there with those. And lucky last, can you see the lines of symmetry on the equilateral triangle? I'll give you a hint. It's got more than one. And I cut up bits of paper to show these. Hopefully this is what you got. One down the centre. Then one coming in from this corner. Whoops. And then one coming in from that corner. So we would say that this shape's got 3 lines of symmetry. Well done if you picked that. I'll put that over in a category on its own. Okay, so let's have a recap. I've grouped my objects. 1 line of symmetry, 3 lines of symmetry, 4 lines of symmetry. Have a go at doing that with your shapes that you made last week or any other shapes that you've got around the house. And then you can run off and do your shape hunt. I've got my bamboo skewer again, and I'm going to move around the house finding objects that have lines of symmetry. I've just spotted one. I'll just do one and then I'll leave you to it. I've spotted the handle on my door. If I put the bamboo skewer that way, it's got one. If I put it that way, it's got another. So I would say that this shape's got 2 lines of symmetry. Have a go at finding all those shapes around your house. Take photos of them and send them in to me.